Clever strategies to help you master affiliate marketing. Are you constantly failing with your affiliate marketing strategies? Are you considering giving it up? Do not quit. In this video there are some great tips that can help assist you in this process. If you apply these tips, you will have a great shot at finally being successful with affiliate marketing. To find the right affiliate marketing company, look for products that sell well. You should look at the statistics of their websites. How many people who visited the website bought something? Browse through the website yourself and see if it presents the products in a way that makes you want to buy. Once you have found techniques that work well, do not rely on them exclusively. You should always be on the lookout for new tools and new trends. You could broaden your audience or keep in touch with your customers, if the techniques you are currently using should become obsolete. Remember that everything becomes obsolete, sooner or later. When you design your site for your affiliate advertising venture, it is vitally important that you understand that you will not get paid unless your visitors click on the links that you post on your page. Many times, informational pages will not get you very many clicks, as most people visiting your site are not looking for a product. You should build a dedicated web page for each product you are promoting through an affiliate marketing program. This page should give your visitors all the information you have available on the advertised product or service. While this need not be the sole reference you have to your affiliate, a dedicated page can tip the balance for visitors who are considering purchasing your affiliate's product. These pieces of advice show that success with affiliate marketing is possible. You just need to work hard and be smart. Since these tips will help you make the smart decisions, half of the battle is already won. Now, work hard on these strategies, and you will see your earnings grow with affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.